If you ever visit Palermo, do not miss to visit this green haven in the middle of city chaos, the Palermo Botanical Garden. It was founded 1789, 10 hectares large, and is one of the most important Italian academic institutions with over 5,000 plants for studies. Plants were originally organized along the lines of the Linneian system of classification, which is the oldest parts of this garden. It was a system created by Swedish Carl Linnaeus, aka Carl von Linné. The system organized in male and female parts, where male parts determine the class and female parts determine the order of the plants. It also holds a so-called urban vineyard from 2018, where most important Italian wine grapes are preserved.